Explain that shit! Never! Oh, shit! Alright, so today we're removing this hunk of shit. This is garbage. And he's got the goods somewhere. Good goodies in the back there. Dang. Nice. Man, let's see what we got in here. Man, I think you should open this for proper installation or opening.
Yeah.
Cut this shit off. Man, nice lunchbox.
Thanks, man.
Mang in his lunchbox comes through every day. He brings me my lunch. Dude, look at that thing. He's a monster.
Beast.
You want a knife? You got one?
Yeah, it's in my car.
What the frig?
In the boot on the floor.
I don't think I know what the boot is.
Boot on the floor right
Oh,
behind my...
like a literal boot. I was trying to figure that one out. I was like, what the hell? The boot?
It's an actual boot.
Dude, look at that thing. Megan Racing, high quality. That's what I like to see.
Oh, she's shiny. Oh.
Dang, man got upside down. There you go. Man, a little exhauster, man. Little Jetta.
Little Jetta exhaust.
This is gonna be the before. Man, hoping to change that, right, man?
Yes.
Yes. Pretty weak.
We're going to change it.
Oh shit! Yeah, man! Holy hell, man!
I should get some glasses.
Let me get you some of those. Getting sparks right to the face.
Yeah.
Oh, I got my glasses in my car. Sunglasses work, man?
It's like almost shot. Glasses? What the? You have safety glasses? I won't ruin these.
I don't care.
Oh, the thing.
Yeah, man, dang shades.
Sponsor
Sponsor us. Dang shades. He got his gloves, he's got his dang shades on, he's ready to rock and roll.
Oh, God.
Oh, dude, it's raining. Nuts. Round two. There you go! One down, bro. What's wrong? Oh, it's broken, man. Straight shredded. There you go. One more. Dude, there's that. Man, you gotta hold it like that.
What?
You gotta hold it like that. There you go. She's pulling tools out of his lunchbox.
I don't know if it's alright, now.
Is that free? Sorta. No.
Kinda, sorta, not really. But we can cut it right here.
Right there. Easy spot.
So we're gonna cut it right there.
Let's
just do that now. So we got the power tools. The big power tools.
Now we're gonna be cutting shit. Right that shit! Never! Oh! Shit! Puppy. What'd you see, Mang? Yeah, what's up, buddy? Dude, you getting hungry?
You ready?
Keeps looking his chops.
Where'd your mom go?
I don't know. Alright, yeah, I did that last night. Alright, so we gotta cut out part of this, like, back lip bumper part. So we're basically cutting the bottom of it right there, just to get an idea, and then we're gonna, like, cut up more as needed. I don't want to take out too much, because it might look stupid, so. So we're working on now, we're gonna just use the Dremel to cut the plastic away, and yeah, shit should be dope.
You know how you like to have a project video, like when you wanted to make your hot air balloon? This is their project.
Yeah.
Yes.
We like to make videos about our projects.
Nice. It's a very sharp cutter.
Yes. Don't want to play with it.
Hey, look at this. I can stand up on it.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
You can go a lot faster that way.
That broken car?
Yeah, it's broken.
Yeah, it's broken right now.
Fix it good.
We will, don't worry. Fix it good.